So hello guys, we are back again to our channel. So let's do a big bang. So here we go for binary trading. So everyone know we do binary trading in Olam Trade. So let's see what happened there. So if you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. So first we open Olam Trade. Let's see. Okay, letter. We have $2,292. Okay, let's see. Okay, yep. So that's a pair EuroCAD, but we change a pair Euro USD. Okay, first sell trade, but that's wrong. First we analyze chart, then second we trade, but we don't analyze. We trade like mind. Okay, so okay again. Oh no, we do wrong sell. Let's see what happened there. Okay, again we do sell. Okay, market gone upward. Only 20 seconds. SNR is very important for every binary trading. SNR, price action, etc. So I thought uh, I teach you SNR and price action because both are main things. We earn 200, we earn $160 profit. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we again earned profit, so that's a trade. So see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go again profit. So okay, let's see. Now we do some buy. $200 buy. Okay, here's a big candle. We do again sell. Let's see. Leave a like guys and predict me we earned both profits or both in loss. So also comment me. Let's see. Our buy trade in profit. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, our sell trade also in loss, I think. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, our sell trade in close. Let's see. Okay, please come on down market. Only 10 seconds again. Down. Okay, our two trade close in loss, but let's see our three trades are in profit. But let's see what what we earned. Let's see. Okay, we are in a big profit. So let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one profit we gain. Okay, only 20 seconds. Again profit we gain. I thought. Let's see. If you like my strategy, so please follow me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again book profit. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again big profit. So let's party, bro. Again we do sell. Let's see, guys. Okay, market gone downward candle. Let's see, let's see. Okay, 4, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. We again book profit. Okay, market gone continuously upward trend. So here we go, 20 seconds only. Oh, market gone very upward. Let's see. Okay, only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one big profit. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again big profit. Okay, in few minutes we earned $1,000 above. So here's the strategy, bro. Let's see. Only 25 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again big profit. So we earned today uh, something $1,700. So that's a trade, guys, and that's a SNR and price action strategy. So leave a like, guys. We'll see you soon, guys, again with updates. And please like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. See you guys soon. Bye bye.